Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sisig using santol as a meat replacement.
We need 1½ santol flesh, pre-boiled, drained, and minced, 45 tablespoons of flour, 1 medium onion minced, 85 grams of liver spread, 3 to 5 pieces siling labuyo, dash of white pepper, 3 to 4 tablespoons oyster sauce or 1 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons cooking oil, dash of salt. Preheat your pan. Put the flour to mince santol. Toss it until lightly covered. Pour the cooking oil. Add white pepper and salt. Mix it until well combined. Saute the santol until golden brown. Add the liver spread, add the oyster sauce, add white pepper, add the white onions, add the siling labuyo, toss it while cooking. So there you have it, my very own Santol Sisig.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.